2 hours later.
What is going on, guys? I'm Texture. Today I'm back with another video. In this video I'll be showing you how to download Happy Chick on your iOS device. To download the Happy Chicks, you don't need any jailbreak or any computer. It works 100%. If you want to know how to download Happy Chick on your iOS device, stick around to the video. So guys, the first thing we have to do is you're gonna go to your setting and you're gonna click your Wi-Fi and you're gonna click the icon right here and scroll down and you'll see the proxy. Just click the proxy and make sure you put the proxy on automatic and make sure you enter this link. The link will be in the description. Just go and copy paste it right here, exactly the same thing. And after you do that, just save it and get out. And you're gonna go to any browser and you're gonna search up 2tupacs.io. The link will be in the description. Just click the link and it automatically take you to this page. And after you're on this page, you're gonna click the install now, this one, and there's one ad, just ignore that. And you can see there's a lot of option to download the 2tupacs. And if the first one doesn't work for you, try the second one. If the second one is not working for you, try the third one. The second one is working for me, so I'm gonna do the second one. Just one ad, just ignore the ad, click install, just wait. You can see the 2tupacs right here. It's already downloaded. Now all I have to do is open it. It says untrusted developer. If I want to trust the app, all I have to do is just go to your setting and you're gonna scroll down and you're gonna click general. You're gonna scroll down one more time and you'll see the device management. Just click that and you're gonna click this one, China West. Just trust it, and if you don't do this, the app's not going to open or work. Like, it's not gonna work. You have to do this instead if you want to open the app. Here the 2tupacs. Now I can't open the 2tupacs right here. Now you're gonna go to the sections or you can search it up right here. Just search up Happy Chick. This is right here. It come up like this. Just click Gate, install. But by the way, if you're new, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. That's really helped me. And it should be installing now. It's gonna take like 30 seconds, like that. Like, just wait. Let's just wait a little bit. Yeah, you can see it starts installing, like, it's pretty fast. It's almost done. You can see the Happy Chick is on. Now it's on my phone. I can open now. You can see I can do wherever I want. Just open it and you can do wherever what you want on this app. And this pretty much how you do it, guys. If this works for you, let me know in the comment section. If this helped you out, please don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe, and peace.